What's up, everybody? I am in the kitchen today, and tonight we're gonna have hot honey margaritas and pizza, and I want a little hot honey to dip our crust in. So I'm gonna make some homemade hot honey. Let me show you how. All right, we got all those red pepper flakes stirred in. So what we wanna do is let this heat. Once it comes to a simmer, we'll pull it off of the heat and we'll let it sit for about 30 minutes to infuse with all of the hot pepper juice. All right, this is starting to simmer up, so I'm gonna give it one last stir and then we're gonna pull it off the heat. All right, I'm gonna let this sit and steep for about 30 minutes. All right, it's been about 30 minutes and we are going to strain this hot honey. All right, so this is straining, and even though it looks like all the honey's gone, it's gonna strain and drain out a lot longer than you think. So just leave it over the bowl in the mesh strainer. I'm gonna transfer this honey into a little like clean mason jar, and then I'll just keep it in my pantry for about 3 months. We'll use it for hot honey margaritas, to dip chicken fingers, to dip pizza crust, whatever you want a little hot sweetness on.